Hello everyone, welcome to ZM Inventor. Today I will show you that how to make a simple laser security system at home. First let's see that how it works. Suppose this is our main gate, so we fix a laser light and an LDR at one end of the gate, and we fix a plane mirror on the other side of the gate. When we turn on the circuit, laser beam covers the whole entrance. So, whenever anyone crosses the gate, laser path blocks and the alarm goes on. In this way, we know that someone has entered our gate. So, let's make it. The materials required are a laser light, a 4-volt chargeable battery, a old mobile charger, a zip tie lock, one DC buzzer, BC547 transistor, two 100 ohms resistors, one 2.5 kilo ohms resistor, one LDR, one on-off switch, and a long wire. Now let's connect all these components according to this circuit diagram. Here I have connected two resistors, one of 100 ohm and one of 2.5 kilo ohms to get an equivalent resistance of 2.6 kilo ohms. Now let's connect the positive terminal of buzzer to positive terminal of LED light and negative terminal to negative end of LED light. These two free ends of wire will go to battery. Then stick the white LED light that we have here on the buzzer, on the top of the buzzer, using Fevikwik. Like this. Here I have used a red plastic hollow cylinder as a base for the circuit. Now I will stick it below the buzzer so that it may stable. See, these two wires will go to LDR and these two wires will be connected to the power source. Now, according to the circuit diagram, let's connect the LDR to these wires. See, here it doesn't matter which wire we connect to which terminal, because LDR is actually a light dependent resistor, and as you know, a resistor doesn't have any specified terminal. So now take a laser light and solder two wires in the cell compartment. As you know, in the cell compartment we have a positive terminal and a negative terminal, like this. Okay, then take a zip tie lock and fix it on the button so that it remains in on position. Here I have sticked it using Fevikwik. Now cut the extra part of zip tie and see, now our laser light will remain on as long as it is connected to the power source. Now just let me show you that how this circuit works. See, when we connect the power source to this circuit, the buzzer starts beeping as long as the resistance of LDR becomes minimum. See, so if we put the laser beam on the surface of this LDR, then its resistance decreases a lot and buzzer stops beeping. In the final setup, the laser light will be kept on 24 hours. So I will connect it to an old mobile charger with an old USB cable using a 100 ohm resistor. See, like this. Here I have connected 100 ohm resistor in series with an old mobile charger. Then I have mounted the circuit on a piece of thermocol. The above wire is going to LDR and here below wire is going to the 5-volt power source. Here I have fixed laser light in a thermocol type box using a black insulating tape and fixed the LDR in a plastic bottle cap, then covered it with aluminium foil. The red black wire is going to power source and this one is going to LDR. Now in the final setup, see, actually I faced a lot of difficulty while finally setting up the laser light and mirror. The problem was that I tried my best to stabilize the laser beam, but due to some reason angle of the laser beam was not getting a stable position. So I just removed the mirror and placed the LDR in front of the laser light. Like this. Also, I have covered the plastic bottle cap with black tape so that sun rays coming do not make any effect on LDR. Now, finally, let's see that how it works. Whenever someone enters, the path of laser beam will be blocked and the buzzer will start beeping. Like this. So if you want to see more videos, then just click on the I button at the top right corner, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.